Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to find and replace text on Google Docs. Now, this tutorial should be pretty simple and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do it. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the Google Docs interface, because I will be here to guide you and show you step by step on how to do so. So, let's get started. Also, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before proceeding with the procedure, so that we will not get lost and encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file, and I would like to replace the word dictionary in this Google Docs right here with a different word. Now, how do we do that? It is actually pretty simple. Now, on your keyboard, please hit Ctrl plus F. And as you can see, it will redirect you with this tab at the top, which says Find in Document. Now, you can search it right here and replace it manually, but if you want to find and replace, you can click on the three horizontal dots right here, which gives you more options. Click on this, and as you can see, you can type in the word that you would like to find, which in my case says dictionary. And I would like to find or replace the word dictionary with the word catalog. Now, as you can see, we can now just hit replace. And right here, it replaced the word dictionary with the word catalog. As you can see, if I undo, this is dictionary, and if I redo, it turns into catalog because we have found and replaced the word dictionary with the word catalog. As simple as that, you can replace tons of different words at the same time with a different word. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. From that, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.